across from where the information center is this walkway here where you can come out here and catch a taxi or cab or an excursion to wherever you would like to go.
How you doing? Francisco on this side.
What's your name?
My name is Francisco.
Francisco.
I love your name.
Francisco
from the
Woods.
Dominican Republic.
Francisco.
Yay, Francisco.
Woods.
Our master tour guide.
Francisco Barichel.
I got a couple of options.
Okay, we'll take them all.
If you guys want me to, okay, I will send over to do a little bit of the country and then take you guys over to eat something.
That sounds fun.
But I would like to take you guys, if you guys give me the opportunity, to take you into the city, so you guys can have a little bit of the city, as well pass you by the Umbrella Street, take you by the Central Park.
I'm up for it.
Yep.
That sounds great.
The taxi route comes with a drink. Your tour includes a drink.
A good drink.
Good drink, huh?
It's rum.
Rum and Coke.
That's how I walk. Now, you see where the tower is?
Yeah.
The tower is where they filmed the first Jurassic Park movie. That's where they started off.
Wow,
They
the
have
first
tables
Jurassic
from
Park
left
movie.
to right, up and down. You can see the track starting from outside here, going all the way to the tower.
This is the Umbrella Street. Look at that. Wow.
The Pink Street.
You see him?
This is the center of Dominican Republic's main city. We got you some furniture for the house.
Oh yeah, ice cream cone furniture. Oh, that.
We're gonna walk down this street. We're following our tour guide Francisco. He's gonna take us to a cigar factory. We're gonna check out some cigars. We are at the cigar factory.
So you say light to medium or light?
I like the light. I like the flavors too.
Okay, you like the
Yeah.
flavor.
Like a coffee?
You
Same
You like flavor also?
flavor. It smells good in here if you like cigars.
I need the bottle. Oh, I'm gonna use the bottle.
Smell. Smell.
Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. I like that one. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Really good. Really good. Man, they make them fresh right there. Wow. It's very good. There's the finished product here.
Señor de Puerto Plata. Monseñor de Puerto Plata.
Everything is handmade.
Handmade,
Nothing
yes.
imported. Everything is from here.
Yes, sir.
Dominican. And we're about to go get something to eat, but look at this car.
I'm supposed to take my medication with alcohol.
It's time for lunch.
Took them like 6 or 7 years
it's
to build
raining.
that house.
But this looks like the restaurant.
This will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're done being alone. This will be the
Francisco has brought us to this restaurant, and we're going to enjoy some food here. We're going to enjoy Dominican food at this beautiful restaurant. We're going to check it out. And what a view. There's the view.
And fried plantains.
They got
You
fajitas.
want somebody with
Ever
me?
seen that movie?
Wow, that's more fun. What you got, baby?
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla. I got a hat for Marcy. Talked him down for $20 to $13. I think she could have went 10, but she's off her game.
Man's got to make a living.
But now it's time to eat. So look what I got. I got some steak tacos, beef tacos.
Sour cream. What do you think?
He said so.
That is so good. Hey, here's our server. Check out our server.
Hello. Hola.
The gentleman there with the sugar cane.
That's the train that bought the sugar in, huh?
There we
On the
are.
right side, that sign. That sign is
I have it so all set up.
I need another bottle.
City tours right there. Damn.